Which sentence is correct? Options are A. Although it was raining, we left. B. Although of raining, we left. C. Though of it was raining, we left. D. Although the rain, we left. The correct answer is although it was raining, we left. Blank. She was tired, she continued. Options are A. Although, B. Although of, C. Despite, D. In spite. The correct answer is although. Which sentence is correct? Options are A. Though he was late, he apologized. B. Though of he was late, he apologized. C. Though the rain, we stayed. D. Though of rain, we stayed. The correct answer is though he was late, he apologized. Choose the correct rule. Options are A. Although plus clause, B. Although plus noun, C. Though plus noun only, D. Though plus of. The correct answer is although plus clause. Which sentence is correct? Options are A. Although tired, she worked. B. Although of tired, she worked. C. Though of tired, she worked. D. Although the tired, she worked. The correct answer is although tired, she worked. He smiled. Blank. He was upset. Options are A. Although, B. Though, C. Despite, D. Because. The correct answer is though. Find the incorrect form. Options are A. Though it was cold, B. Although it was cold, C. Although of it was cold, D. Though he was tired. The correct answer is although of it was cold. Blank. Traffic was heavy, they arrived. Options are A. Although, B. Although of, C. Despite, D. In spite. The correct answer is although. Which is correct? Options are A. Though the rain, B. Although the rain, C. Though it rained, D. Although of rain. The correct answer is though it rained. Choose the true statement. Options are A. Both plus clause, B. Both plus noun, C. Although plus of, D. Though plus of. The correct answer is both plus clause.